Hi guys, what is up? What is going on? What's happening, YouTube?
The mechanics.
Oh, black fender, white fender. Of course, this is a black one. This is a white fender. As I'm pretty sure none of you guys have been wondering what and where and what's going on with this car. I think I just said that. It's right here. It's in the garage next to these. So today's a tinker. Today's a tinker session-ish, kind of. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just in the garage for an hour trying to be productive. Getting ready to drop the subframe on this and do some work on the subframe. But before I drop the subframe, I need to get it up in the air. God dang. I need to get it up in the air and in a position where it can be for a few days, weeks, hopefully not months, and go over some other stuff. Am I missing the tabs? I think both of my headlights are missing the inner tabs on them, and I don't really like that. Nah. All right, anyways, let's get started. Just a quick look, you know. There goes the Ricardos, confettis. Huh, kind of miss this car. But at the same time, this is like, feels damn near the same. Except it's not right-hand drive. Anywho, so I brought some tires over here and rims a couple of days ago. I'm gonna take off these VS's off the front, put some wheels on the back, put the back on race stands, and then put the front on jack stands. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get cracking on that. That's gonna be the first thing before the sun sets. Okay, bye. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. For the record, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I might do it. Sweating his eyes. Okay, take 2 for the record. That's a good sturdy. That's a good sturdy right there. That's a good sturdy. So I really want to go higher in the front, but those jack stands, that's as high as they go, and I am not about to take that risk. So that was pretty much it for today's tinker session. Like I said, just getting this ready to drop the subframe, rack and pinion, and all of the other due dillies and lower control arm, upper control arm. Axles are not gonna come out. They do need to come off. Brake calipers will come off and get repainted. Since I'm at it, I hope. I have 4 tires and then the 4 Type S wheels. I don't know where the tires came from and why I have 4, but I'm gonna see if I can try this and see if I still know how to do this real quick. So if it works, we're gonna have more of this vlog. If not, I'm ending it. So let me set you up here. Wait, where'd my front screen go? Can't you tap the screen to make it come back on? Oh well. All right, yeah, I think that'll work. You can see my keys, whatever, I don't care. Soap and water. I guess I can use a pick and fork. So, I have no idea where this tire came from and why I even want to put it on there. Oh, I cannot remember. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tires. I don't remember which setup had the Honda Racing wheels on it. The Honda Racing tire letters. Oh well. Anyways, let me see if I can still do this. Play music. Next song.
That's way too much. I'm not heavy enough. Ah! I'm not heavy enough.
I'm only doing it like this. It's easier on the other side. I really need to put a floor mat down, but I don't want to put a Type R floor mat down and get all the soap on it. So I'm trying it the hard way.
A few moments later.
I'm done. I'm going inside.
Sugar guy. Anyways.
Okay, well, I'm sweating. Decent night in the garage. Basically prepping the Integra and making a big ass mess on the floor, but that's okay because it's just soap and water. It's gonna be a lot more soap and water in this garage in the future, so I'm not tripping or crippling blood. Anyways, so with that being said, I'm done with today's tinker session. Tomorrow I need to get cracking on the RSX because I got the headlights, but the H1 LEDs that I got for the Integra, the other Integra, H1 bulbs are really tiny. The LED one has like a little circle, so I gotta hone it out a little bit, but my headlights are super ashy anyway, so we're gonna do something about that tomorrow when I have more time and more daylight. Get cracking on my day a little bit earlier than today. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Like, comment, subscribe, come back, okay? If not, it's cool, whatever. Anyways, that being said, peace, I'm gone.
The Mechanics.